feel like you're in the corner of the world. It's all like rainforest and mountains and waterfalls, and I'm just like, I want to die here. But I just know I'll never live there. But part of me in my like dreams is like, what if I just like said fuck it all and moved to this little corner of Cuba that has this like random influx of tourists and just hung out all day.
And you can just like pick fruit off the.
You pick your fruit off the tree. You go to the rivers. You swim in the rivers.
I think everybody has
amazing water. This is the most beautiful place I've been in the world. Baracoa, Cuba. Most Cubans haven't been there. Baracoa. It's like in the eastern tip. It's the only part of Cuba that's truly rainforest. So you get there and it's like this. It has the highest endemic flora and fauna of the whole Caribbean. And it's just
like that. No?
Well, Panama's not Caribbean technically.
Oh, okay.
It's Central America.
But it's on the Caribbean.
But it's on the Caribbean. But it probably has higher endemic flora and fauna than Panama, because that's how the rainforest in Central America is. But Baracoa, this is the nature there. It's Christopher Columbus on his first voyage landed in Baracoa, and he described it as the most beautiful land naturally as Isaac had.
Really?
And you just get there and it's like
it.
paradise on it. I don't know how else to describe it. You just go to it's literally a town on a mini cliff. It's the first colony of Cuba. It was the first settlement. So it's like the oldest colonial town in Cuba. It's set on a cliff, and then surrounding that cliff are two bays that form beaches, mountains, and then more beaches. It is